Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to install Linux on a Samsung S10, run it in terminal mode and X mode, as well as show you how to install and run some popular applications in Linux. Hope you enjoy this video and let's get started. To find out more about the Linux on Dex program, go to linuxondex.com and you can check out all the details about the app that we are going to install. Now this was in a beta program and it's currently closed. It was an invite only program and there is no way to join that invite. The app is not available on the Google or Galaxy Play Store. So the what we're going to do now is going to sideload the app from a third-party source. Now this might change in the future, so always check Google Play Store or Galaxy Store if there's an official version available before you try to sideload it. So first thing you need to do is go into settings and look for a setting called unknown sources. Install unknown apps. And then look for Chrome. Okay, so you're basically allowing Chrome to install an app from an unknown source because we are going to download Linux on Dex via your web browser and install it into your phone. So after you give that permission, go to google.com and search for Linux on Dex APK. So let's try and download it from the first option here. Download APK. Download. So once you have downloaded it, click open. You want to install the app. Now it's because you have given permissions for Chrome to install unknown sources. That's why you're able to run this right now. So if you're not able to run this right from after downloading, so you need to give the permission to Chrome to run unknown apps. Go ahead and install. Right, open. This is the Linux on Dex app. So you need to install a container, Linux container, before you can run Linux. So the way that you do it is click here and then click on download from server. It takes you to the beta site. Then scroll all the way down and this is the image that you're going to download. It's an Ubuntu 16.04 image. It's a modified Ubuntu image that you will download. It's about 3.7 GB. Let's try to download it. Alright, so it looks like it's going to take around 20 minutes or so for it to download. So I'm going to pause this video here and then I'll come back when the download has finished. Alright, I finished the download and click unzip. Okay, click extract. Extracting the file. So the download was in a zip format, now it's extracting that to an IMG format. I just finished unzipping. All right, container information. I'm gonna put 15. All right, create. All right, let's try running it. Boom. There we go. Browser works. Okay. Okay, the password for this is secret. Just going to do an update and an upgrade. While the upgrade is going on, let me show you around a few things. So you can actually share files between the Linux container and your Android system. The way that you do it is go into this LOD share internal storage, and you can put your files in here, and you should be able, this should show up in the LOD share folder in Android. So just to give a test, let's try cd desktop. Okay. .txt. Okay. All right, so we can go. If you go into LOD share, you should find the text file there. There you go. So that's how you would share files between Android and the Linux system. So for example, if you want to edit your photos in GIMP, you can copy your photos into LOD share, and that should appear in your Linux file system here. So I've just finished updating the Linux operating system. Just wanted to let you know that while the update was going on, my battery was draining very fast. I was using this cable, this USB-C to HDMI cable, and I had the power connected, but even with the power connected, the battery was draining faster. It's probably because the update was CPU intensive and IO intensive. So I don't think the fast charge is supported in this kind of a cable. So what do you think? Will the original Samsung DeX stations support fast charge while Linux, while you're using the device? If you do, let me know in the comments below. Now you can also get the Linux command prompt while you're on the phone, even when you're not connected to your DeX workstation. The way that you would do is open up Linux on DeX. Then of course if you try to run it, it'll say that you need DeX to do that. However, you can run the Linux terminal, and from Linux terminal you can do fairly bit of things. Just wanted to show you how to use the terminal. There are some special shortcut keys here. For example, if you wanted to use vi, say vi hello.text and insert, put some test, and if you want, you can use escape key and colon right q. So there are things like the escape key and tab and control and function and so on, which you don't usually get in the Android keyboard. Let's try SSHing into a remote server. So I can copy and paste, copy, paste, oops. All right, yes. So I've logged into a remote server that's running on Amazon. and I can do, you know, a lot of administration tasks. So yeah, I can do some DevOps work from this command, you know, even if I don't have the full workstation. I think it's useful in many circumstances. There are some tools that come inbuilt with this. There is Git, there is Python. I don't know if there's Node. Oh, there is Node. Okay. A lot of the things come out of the box. You can, you know, start using it to administer external servers, or do some edits to your code, maybe while on the go, check in, check out from Git. So I think it's a very useful tool. I can run the terminal in split screen mode. So let me try to install GIMP. Secret. Yes. Alright, I'll pause the video now and show you how GIMP works on the other side. So I've successfully installed GIMP and it seems to work. I'm able to open an image that I took from my phone camera. And filter, blur. Let's do an just gonna try a cartoon effect and see what happens. It's a bit slower than if you would run on a PC. That concludes my demo of the Linux on DeX. What do you think? Is this a useful feature? What would you use it for? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video to be useful, please do like and subscribe. Thank you.